Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to do a cross open. So to start off, you want to cross your leg. Make sure you do not overcross it, but place it in the front. And you want to take the other leg and tap it outside. Notice how the leg is in a point and my supporting leg is in a plie. Now another mistake that happens very often is you tend to cross and place your leg behind or forward, but you do not want to do that. Make sure your leg is placed to the side. The third mistake that people do often is that they tend to shift their weight, which turns it into a different step. So make sure you're not shifting your weight. So let's do it again. You go cross and open. 4 things that you need to remember is that do not overcross. Make sure you're placing your leg to the side. Do not shift your weight and plie your supporting leg. Guys, let's try the cross open on music. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.